Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Bless the Lord, He's Worthy, and that is by Judith McAllister. And guys, you know what? This was recommended by Cynthia. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for giving us an awesome song for us to work on today. I really appreciate it. Before we start, I got to show you what I'm working with. I'm working with my natural spring water. Yes, give me 1 second. I'm going to taste it real quick. So good, so good. Guys, I would love for you to go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, and sit down and learn with me, your favorite instructor, AK, on today. Before we start, go ahead and hit that like. It brings more people to our community. Bam, I see you just did it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we're in a key of E flat. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have Judith McAllister in the building. She's getting ready. She's warming up. I would love for you guys to go ahead and crack your knuckles with me. Let's stretch them out. All right. I think we're ready. We're ready? All right. Let's get it. Let's welcome Judith McAllister. Give it up for Judith McAllister. To all my numerites, let's take this time out and count our numbers. All right, guys, easy song. We're going to get through it. So right here, we're starting out on Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Let me just give you that right there. So we're on a 5. We're playing this E flat major chord. We're going down to our 4. That's a regular B flat major chord. Going to our 3, and that's the E flat major chord. Then we're going to our 2, and that is an A flat minor 6 chord. And we just kind of repeat that. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. All right, let me give you that. So we're on a 5. We're playing an E flat major chord. Going to our 4, the same B flat major chord. We kind of change up right here. We're on our 3, and we're playing this B7 flat 5 chord. Going to our 6. In our left hand, we're playing a C minor chord. And then we're playing a B flat major chord. And then we're playing the same thing that we did in the very beginning. Let me give you that. That's 2. We're playing that chord. Going to our 3. Playing our E flat major chord. Going right back to that first chord. And guys, that's the whole song. Believe it or not, that's the majority of the song. So then, of course, we would take it up. Same progression. This is the key of E, right? And then we go. And then, of course, they take it up again. Bless the Lord. Now we're in the key of F. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, right? And all okay, so the only time they really change up is when they go, He's worthy. We're playing the same chords. Just adding a bounce. Right? Everything else is the same. So I'm hitting the bass note first, and then I'm bouncing. Right? Very simple. This is our last change. We're going. Simple. All we're doing is we're doubling up on our F, and we're just walking up. What is that? We're on a 3. We're playing this F major chord. Going to our 4. We're playing this B flat major chord. Then we're going to our 5. And we're playing that same F major chord. And guys, that's the song. I want you to do your homework on transposing what we learned in the first part from E flat to E, then to F, and so on and so on. All right. I hope this was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is vote God. I was 18 when I cast my first ballot, voting for the Democratic Party. I didn't know much about Al Gore at the time, but I knew he was vice president to one of the most memorable presidents ever, Bill Clinton. Of course, he lost a close election to George W. Bush. And of course, I was very disappointed because my first vote had been to a losing candidate. Then 9/11 happened, changing our world forever. It made me realize that no matter who was in office, we have to come together and trust God to guide our president to make wise decisions. I learned that losing can teach us resilience and the importance of unity, especially in hard times. Life's unexpected moments remind us to stick together and have faith. So Kamala Harris, Donald Trump, it doesn't matter. Vote God. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being a part of this awesome community. I really appreciate you. I thank you for sharing this awesome information. Continue to share. We want this channel to grow, right? And you know what? We have a Facebook page. I would love for you all to go and visit our Facebook page. That is Numerical Melodies on Facebook. It's me playing all the songs I love to hear and play, of course. And I hope you do as well. And guys, you know what? We have a section called Viewers Requests. Of course, that's just you telling me the song that you want me to play. I play it, and that's your request. Viewers Requests. Guys, check it out. And we have a bell. I would love for you to hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. It takes like 3 seconds. I don't know. Maybe 3, 4, 5. I don't know. We're going to try 3 seconds. Let me see how long it takes you to hit that subscribe button. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. Thank you so much. It made my day. Guys, last but not least, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.